Hi everyone, I'm Brian.
And I'm Jonathan. Today we're excited to introduce to you the latest product from Scientific Cutting Tools. Our brand new port kits designed specifically for AS5202 and SAE J1926 ports.
These all-in-one kits include a high-performance solid carbide drill, a port tool for precise hole finishing, and a helical thread mill. The kits are currently available in tube sizes 2 through 8.
That's right, Brian. There are 2 kit styles available for completing an AS5202 or SAE J1926 port. One style of kit includes a coolant through roughing step drill, a reamer style port tool, and a helical flute thread mill.
And the other style of kit has a coolant through drill from our DFX drill line that cuts the minor diameter, an X-series port tool without a pilot diameter, and a helical flute thread mill.
Brian, how should our customers decide which kit to buy?
Well, customers can choose either the SAE or the AS kits, depending on their exact needs. The reamer style kit has a step drill that roughs the port diameters undersized, and then the reamer port tool will come through and cut to the standard port size. The pilotless kits come with a DFX drill, and that cuts the minor diameter to size. And the depth of your minor diameter can vary depending on your custom requirements.
And remember, all of the tools in our kits are coated with our AlTiN Plus coating for ferrous applications. We've worked hard to develop this high-performance coating. It's our own proprietary blend applied right here in our facility.
And while we're only offering a non-ferrous options right now, stay tuned because we're developing a non-ferrous line for release in 2025.
For more details, visit our website. To place an order, contact your favorite distributor.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates and tool reviews.